Hybridization. Hybridization is the mixing of atomic orbitals to form new hybrid orbitals that help atoms form stable covalent bonds and determine molecular shape. Types: sp, linear, 180 degree in example, CO2 sp2, trigonal planar, 120 degree in example, bf3 sp3, tetrahedral, 109.5 degree in example. CH4 hybridization helps explain bond angles, molecular geometry, and bond strength.
Radicals and ions. Radicals are atoms, or groups of atoms with unpaired electrons. That unpaired electron makes radicals highly reactive in reactions. Ions are different. They're atoms or molecules that have gained or lost electrons. Lose electrons? You form a cation, a positive ion. Gain electrons? You form an anion, a negative ion. So radicals are neutral but unstable, while ions are charged and more stable.
Organic chemistry is the study of carbon compounds, especially those with C-H bonds, basically the chemistry of life. Carbon is unique because it forms 4 bonds, creates chains and rings, and connects with many elements, which is why millions of organic compounds exist. Examples include fuels like petrol, alcohols, acids, plastics, perfumes, and many everyday substances around you.
Alkanoic acids. Alkanoic acids are organic compounds that belong to the carboxylic acid family. They contain the carboxyl functional group, COH, and have the general formula CH2COH. The COH group is responsible for their acidic nature. In aqueous solution, alkanoic acids partially ionize to release hydrogen ions, making them weak acids. Lower members, such as methanoic acid and ethanoic acid, are colorless liquids and are completely soluble in water due to hydrogen bonding. As the carbon chain length increases, solubility in water decreases, while boiling point increases. Chemically, alkanoic acids react with metals to form salts and hydrogen gas, alkalis to form salts and water, carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to produce salts, water, and carbon dioxide. They also react with alkanols in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form esters in a process called esterification. Alkanoic acids are used in food preservation, soap and detergent production, pharmaceuticals, and organic synthesis.
Chemical bonding is the force that holds atoms together to form molecules and compounds, making all matter stable. Atoms form bonds to achieve a full outer electron shell, usually by losing, gaining, or sharing electrons. And examples of bonding include ionic bonding, where electrons are transferred, covalent bonding, where electrons are shared, and metallic bonding, where electrons move freely through a lattice. Ionic bonds between metals and nonmetals, creating strong electrostatic forces, result in hard, brittle solids with high melting points. Covalent bonds between nonmetals, sharing electrons to form molecules that are soft and have low melting points, existing as gases or liquids. Metallic bonds involve metal atoms releasing electrons into a sea of electrons, giving metals their conductivity, malleability, and shiny surfaces.